No, I was trying to go back and make sure everything is right.
You should have just kept recording the whole thing because we could edit the sound out.
It's 1-0. See if we can gain some more.
We're not gonna gain anymore because I'm not slowing down anymore.
You should.
I can't. Physically, my foot doesn't want to allow me. Well, let me put this bitch in show mode, actually. Forgot about that. My foot doesn't allow me to do that. It's almost impossible. This gas pedal's touchy as fuck. God damn, I hope I don't fucking run out of power. This is fucking ridiculous.
I need some air.
Well, you're gonna have to do without because it's gonna put drag in the car.
We need to go get them things, dog.
We are at 0 fucking percent. Yo.
You want to put a light on you so we can see you?
No, I can't.
No, I'm saying so the camera can see you.
So the camera can see you?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta turn the fog lights off. Well, they're already off.
So what are you thinking, Tom?
I hope we don't have to pull the fucking generator out. Because we're at negative. We're already negative. Oh my god. We're already at 0 fucking percent, but we'll just see. Because it usually just I've never died before. Now I got range anxiety. Oh shit. Oh, this ain't my favorite song. I think we'll be alright.
It's called Tesla Paranormal Activity.
Paranormal?
Yeah.
There ain't nothing paranormal about this shit. We just fucking ran out of fucking power. 13%? Holy fuck. Dude, what did we pass our fucking thing? We must have fucking passed our fucking exit, yo.
It can be, bro.
Yes, we could have, because look, 8.7 miles, yo. We are fucking off. Where the fuck is it? Oh, I need to turn around, yo. I don't think I'm gonna make it anywhere else, yo. Fuck. Yep, looks like we'll be paying for fucking this one. 5.7 miles, yo. Son of a bitch. We really fucked off. We passed the shit, dude. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, we're not gonna make it to the next one.
How far is it?
We're not gonna make it to the next one.
How far is the next one?
The next one is negative 13%. This thing only goes negative 10.
Where's the one back there?
It's too late. We can't turn around.
Yeah, you can turn around, Tony.
No, you cannot. There's no fucking road to turn around on.
There's a way to turn around,
No,
Tony.
I cannot.
Oh, and we cannot be on the side of the road.
Well, we will be. There ain't no fucking... It's a fucking mistake that we made. We cannot turn around right there. Because it could die right there. Fuck. Let me get behind this semi. We might not make it. This one is serious. Yeah. Do not. Yeah, this light's gonna go off though. Fuck this shit. We passed the fucking exit. We passed 2 chargers. Self-drive behind this guy. I have to just take it easy. Because we're negative 6. Okay, we might make it. We might make it. I had to do this before in my fucking bravado. Just as long as he doesn't keep speeding up. I didn't think we'd driven already fucking 4 miles. Holy fuck. This is negative 6%. I'm hoping that it's not negative 6%. To get a tow truck. I mean, I have money to do it, so it don't matter. Yeah, I got my generator. My generator's not going to be enough. It's going to take like 5 kilowatts to get that motherfucker back up. And my little generator's only got 200 and freaking something watt hour, 288 watt hours. That ain't enough to even do anything to my car right now. I might just pull over before. See, there's no roads. That's okay. We're gonna try. We're just gonna have to try. Let's hope roadside assistance has a charger. Here comes the mechanic, fucking up. I can drive behind this guy and that fucking is true right there, I think we'll make it. But we've been on 0% for a fucking good minute, hot minute. Son of a bitch, just like we missed that fucking negative. That's why it went to the negative, because remember it was 2%, it was almost 2%, 1.4%, and then it went to the negatives. That's why, because we passed the charger. I need to turn this fucking sound on too. But negative 5%. Alright. God damn, we've been driving fucking for a minute, dude. A fucking hot fucking minute. Now this is what you're not supposed to fucking do with a Tesla battery. I'm fucking this bitch up right now. That's not good. I just degraded my battery by fucking a whole 1% by doing this. But hopefully that negative 5 is true, because I think we'll make it. That's a fucking long way though. I damn near fucking think I wish I would have pulled in that bitch, but I think it'll let me pull over and at least do something. At least let me pull over. You know what I mean? Well, if it breaks up, then that was. See, if he was in a gas car, he's still fucked up. You know what I mean? Although I probably would have been on full. Well, yeah. This guy don't let me fucking tailgate him. I'm sorry, buddy, but I'm almost to the point I gotta turn my headlights off. Yeah, that knowing we was gonna make it turned into a, oh my god, real quick, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Yep, sure did. Let me tell you. You know what? We're here. We're about to be here. About to be there. Come on now. Come on, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna make it. Gonna make it. Oh god, this is fucking. This right here is like, okay, so I regened a little bit, but I'll try to regen when I get down here. This is what I needed. Regen. Give me a whole percent. Let me hook up to your truck. Sorry, guys.
Give you free mechanic.
Yeah, I'll give you some work. Free labor. Free labor, just pull me with your truck.
No, discounted, not free.
Oh, yeah. Like discount.
Discounted.
There goes my windbreaker right here. So we went from negative, like, what, 13 all the way up to 5. Oh my god. Come on, make it. Turn this radio all the way down. Can't play nothing. Bluetooth off, everything off. Do not even turn on a light. I'm about ready to actually turn this fucking headlights off though. He's turning that way. And where the fuck? Oh my motherfucking gosh. Son of a witch. The fucking road is closed right there. Oh Lord have mercy. I need y'all to open up the road. I'm running out of power. This is not gonna be fun. How the fuck it has to be? That's what we get. That's what we fucking get. Yes, come on, hurry the fuck up. Oh no, I need to go the other way. They better, this motherfucking road better not be closed for me going the other way. There's gonna be a problem.
You still side roaded.
Okay. I'm about to fucking mountaintop this bitch. Over the fucking hill and all. Run the red light. Everything. Get all the regen you can get because we are right here. Come on now.
Go do the John.
Miles. Don't tell me nothing about that fucking cone right now. It's the last thing I'm concerned about. I'm like this close to turning the headlights off. Seriously.
Well, turn them off right now while it's at the red light.
I'd have to flash it then.
I would turn the screen off too.
Can't turn it off. I don't think you can. But you can lower the brightness. Take it off auto.
Yep, that helps. This is what y'all need to do, guys.
No, what you need to do is pay attention to your fucking GPS, actually. That bitch says, get off, get off. We done passed freaking several chargers. Too many to be exact. I bet this Tesla's never been this low. Ooh, I'm so much better. I can't even focus this screen.
I ain't laughing, but bro.
You are laughing because this shit is funny.
No, it's like, woo. I thought
funny.
you were supposed to be in there.
Oh wait, is that where it says?
See, here you go.
Yeah.
We done been in this one before, Tony.
Yeah, I know, but I fucking forget. I'm fucking off. The thing is upside down, you know? So I'm looking at the fucking GPS, and the bitch is upside down. I'm going the wrong way all the way, and I don't give a damn right now. Just hopefully I'm gonna get
We're gonna recover. Like you said.
We can't do that on this chargers. These big chargers, they don't do that. You have to fucking. Where are they at? Where the fuck are they at, Yanni? Yeah, that. Yeah, we done been to these. No, the fuck we haven't.
Yeah.
We were never at these. We never came to this charger.
Where you going, Tony?
Hold on, man. We never been.
This man trying to run out, bro.
Yeah. Never ever been to this charger. The other charger that you're talking about, I'm trying to run up.
It's farther up, huh?
Huh?
It's farther up.
What do you mean it's farther up? It's far. Yeah, it's in a different spot. This one wasn't the one. What happened? Son of a bitch! I'm at 0%. Yep. All right, thank you. Yep. All right, gotcha. Say less, because I'm like negative, not fucking 0. Okay. Thank goodness, we fucking made it. Holy fucking shit. I don't care.